Welcome everyone to HueFin. We're also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 18th, 2020, and this is our Cardano price forecast update. We're here to give you all a heads up as to what we're seeing from the trap's perspective on if he's feeling weak or is he feeling strong. If it's your first time watching our video, you guys see how easy our price charts look and how we speak to give you a better, concise understanding as to what the market is likely to do. Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and then join us on our website HueFinancial.com, because you're not going to get this simplistic information anywhere else. Cardano. Last video was done on August the 15th, 2020, and it was our expectations to continue to see the trap, see the market move higher. But you can see on this particular daily price chart for Cardano that we're really not expecting too much to go on. So from the last 3 days of when we did our prediction in Cardano, the market has literally done just that. We're still trading in a range. Now, what does that mean? It means two things. Either the trap is accumulating more of the supply of Cardano at these price levels so that at a later time he can resume higher prices, or he's selling at these price levels. It's that simple. Don't make it complicated. So from the last couple of days, we can still tell that generally the market in Cardano is not exhibiting that much strength. We are seeing that based off the price bars and volume. Today's, even on top of yesterday's trading in Cardano, weakness is showing itself. It is entering the market. Cardano, so far today, even on yesterday's trading day, could not break price above 14.5 cents. You can see it right here. This area has played Cardano from seeing that strength. On that video that we did for Cardano on the 15th, that's where we had our TP at. Because you can clearly tell based off the historical information for this cryptocurrency that 14.5 cents was restriction. So hopefully you got 3.92% out the market in Cardano. Hopefully. So let's get rid of it. 3.92%. Now, I'll be the first one to tell you that you cannot see continual weakness entering the market and still expect the market to go higher. You just can't. This is the second day of us seeing weakness in the market in Cardano. And the sad part, for those who's looking for Cardano to go higher, is that the strength is not appearing at 14.5 cents. Now, if it did, then yeah, the continuation of strength is going to come through in Cardano, back up there towards 15 cents. But right now, it's just not there. We have 12 hours, 13 hours left before the conclusion of this daily price bar. And those 13 hours is going to be monumental in understanding whether or not this cryptocurrency will lose value or will increase in value. Pay attention. So what we're going to do is going to take a look at Cardano on the weekly time frame first, and you could get a better, broader outlook as to, yeah, the market in Cardano is in a consolidation range, right? The trap hasn't made a overall decision on whether or not he's going to continue this market trend higher, because you can see right here, or are we going to continue to push forward to the right and then we'll crash, or I would just say lose value to the downside of this ascending line in Cardano. This is what the market is going to show us as we continue to watch this currency. Expect this to occur. Now, the market strength in Cardano will not be apparent until we see price break up above 15 cents. Until that time, I'm telling you now, if anyone else don't tell you, I'm letting you know that this market will hold this consolidational range, which will give you ample amount of time to continue to evaluate your own strategy. But for the moment, this is the forecast, is to see Cardano consolidate in this range. Now, when you take in combination the last 4 weeks, there's not a lot of strength here in the market right now in Cardano. So in the next 5 days, if we still show weakness on this current weekly price bar, then it is ever increasing that Cardano is going to go lower. It's plain and simple. That's how you read the market, and you take it as it is what it is. Okay. Now let's take a look at Cardano on the 4-hour chart. And you can see here that generally the market here is still giving us a lot of weakness. It's not that weak right now, so just relax. Okay. When weakness is here, you got to play the cards that you're dealt, right? The market in Cardano saw an enormous amount of volume on this 4-hour price bar, and then on this one. And ever since then, the weakness is still there. So now we have 2 areas of restriction to be mindful of: 14.5 cents and 15 cents. Three-hour chart. Cardano. It's not giving us any strength. Okay. And when you get opportunities like this, to where the market is just consolidating and moving sideways, you don't, from our perspective, we sideline the market. We don't participate until we get an idea as to where he's wanting to take the market. And as of this particular juncture, there's nothing here to substantiate a price move right now. Now, is the market in Cardano weak right now? Yeah, it's definitely a lot weaker than the strength being revealed on these daily price bars. Definitely. But it's only within this consolidational range. So if you were to put in a forecast in the market in Cardano, and support is at 13 cents. So that's about 7% movement to the downside, and that's very plausible, and we'll still be in the trading range, right? Or the market may still hold support at 13.5, which would be about 4% market movement to the downside. Okay. So for this particular forecast package, we're not going to put in a forecast prediction into the market in Cardano. We're not going to participate. We're going to let him do all the hard work for us, and then we'll come back in and update you all as to whether or not Cardano is going to continue to move higher in price or go lower. So now it's your turn. I'm going to get rid of this line right here because we already know that the market's in the uptrend in Cardano, but we're playing this consolidation range right now. Okay. Now, the question is, what do you think? Do you think the market in Cardano is going to maintain this range? Do you think the market's going to go lower? Do you think it's going to go higher in the next 3 days? Give us your thoughts and your opinions with a comment in the comment section. Make sure you maintain a profitability. See you on the next one.